Guillermo here. Thank you so much for coming out and watching this video. Today, you're going to witness Ringless App 2.0. It's finally here. And it's also going to be a part of our upcoming mobile app, which you definitely want to continue to stay tuned in for. We put a deep emphasis into the way our systems work and your delivery rates. We wanted to get you more in short. So we removed YTEL. We just felt they weren't compatible for what we were trying to do, and teamed up with a partner that's capable of getting you 95% delivery rates. And on top of that, we've really fine-tuned and cleaned up a lot of our call forwarding features and our automated text messaging features as well, to just really tie everything all in. So I'm going to stop all of the talking now. I'm going to go into our Ringless App 2.0. I'm going to just bring my camera off to the side here. And as I'm going through this, I want to let you know that if you have access already to Ringless App, you no longer need to worry about paying for an upgrade or anything like that. This upgrade is coming to you at no cost at all. So you can access it whenever you wish. So if you don't have access, you definitely want to make sure that you check out all of our open, replays, and you definitely check it out. So I'm going to dive in. I'm going to log in right away. So over at the top, you can see that now we have a Twilio Balance. We are now integrated with Twilio and another silent partner, okay, which you will discover inside of the platform. So what you can see here, you want to make sure you have a balance with Twilio so that you can purchase your numbers within our platform, do your call forwarding and all of that stuff, okay? Our system will handle all of your RVMs, so you'll be able to track that all here, your stats, your RVM sent, the ones that failed. Usually whenever an RVM fails is usually because there's a multitude of reasons. The number is input incorrectly, it's a wrong number, or it's just the number doesn't even exist. So you got that all here for you to check out. As you may already know, you got the chat here as well. Let's go into our settings here, okay? So inside of the settings, all you're gonna need is your Twilio ID and your token. That's it. You can get that inside of your Twilio account. There's training inside of the platform on all of these updates, okay? Now, your recorded messages, let's go into that, your recorded messages. Now, you could listen to them right from the platform, or you could just simply upload a new message here, right? Just make sure that the audio is 30 to 60 seconds. You can record it if you're on a Mac, you can use QuickTime, or if you're on Windows, you could use, just make sure that any app, really, just make sure that it's MP3 so that you can upload it. Keep it 30 to 60 seconds. I recommend keeping it 30 seconds, okay? Going into phone numbers, okay? So we allow you to purchase phone numbers inside of our platform. We recommend 2 numbers, all right? So if I want to purchase, let's say, a number in the 813 area, right? I can pick up this number here, right? And then I would just put my card details and I'll be able to buy that number. And I explained inside of the training why you need 2 numbers. We have the ability for you to do carrier lookup as well. This comes in handy. You could it's as simple as uploading your number and then going into view, and you could really dissect your list down and export numbers by carriers. Different providers tend to choose numbers very differently. For example, T-Mobile, whenever you send an RVM, they'll mask your number with a different number. It's like a 555 number, and it won't actually show your RVM number. But what we encourage you to do is, when you leave the voicemail, encourage them to text you, encourage them to call you. And that is enough action. They're showing you that they're interested. We've tested this, we've proven this, and it works. So even though some carriers are just trying to protect themselves, we want to make sure that we're at least getting through, okay? So this is why we've added this feature, so that you can dissect providers and so on and so forth. Pretext. So this is cool because when you leave your voicemail, you can actually leave your number, as you already know, and encourage them to text you back, okay? And when you do that, let's say they text this number here, right? I'll show you. I could associate any number with the text message. So I could choose this number here. Here's the promo code, right? So if I choose this number and I set it as a pretext, in that voicemail, when I tell them, hey, text me back at this number, 860-431-7215, and I repeat it like 2 or 3 times, when they text you, they'll get an automated response. And you could track those later, and I'll show you in a bit. You got the ability to manage list as well. We don't cap you anywhere there. Sending out and tracking your RVMs is easy. This is here in this page here. This is where you would track your RVMs. You could see, the duration of the call, preparing, initiated, success rates. You got that all broken down here, all right? And we allow you to filter them as well. Setting up your RVM is very, very easy. You would just simply choose the number that you purchased, choose the caller ID number, choose the list, choose the message, and then you would just simply schedule it at the, it could be for the 27th, or the 26th, Black Friday, and then you could do, you could set up your time and dates, AM or PM, and you're done. Like, you're really done. It's all set there for you. Now, for whatever reason, let's say you're trying to encourage your leads to just go ahead and call you back, then you could set up your call forwarding here as well. So you could associate a number, any number that you've purchased, and associate it with maybe your number. You could just put your number here in this area, and whenever they call, it'll go to that number. Okay, you got your call logs here, just in case, you want to track that. SMS logs, so whenever you get responses, if you want to check out any of those responses, you go to view, and you could see the number that they replied to, and you could write them back, okay? We have a DNC as well, so we encourage you to, like in your messages, encourage anyone that doesn't want to get your messages, just let them know, hey, text us, reply stop, and we'll add you to our do not call list. We have resell options as well, so if you want to go ahead and resell this, it works just like our other systems. We provide you with a unique link. You can withdraw, set up your logo, set up your RVM costs. You got that all there for you. So now you see, this is very, very easy to set up. And again, all you need is your Twilio SID, your Twilio token. Make sure you're topped up with us as well. And that is pretty much it. That is Ringless App 2.0 in the box. Very, very powerful software, as I mentioned. Very, very powerful platform. It really systemizes everything. When you look at it as a whole, call forwarding, text messaging, you got it all built into the platform. And again, we're going to be adding this to our app as well, our mobile app, which is coming out really soon. All right. Now, if you have any questions at all, definitely make sure to reach out to me. Text me, devsupport@redtorrentmedia.com. Oh, not .com, excuse me. devsupport@redtorrentmedia.app, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And again, this platform is now accessible to you, and along with the upgrade to those of you currently on board. Now, if you don't have access, again, I encourage you to check out all of the replays. We've opened them up. They're all closing on Sunday. I decided to do this for special reasons. We're in the holidays, and I understand that some of you might have missed out. So all of the discounts have been applied. All of the pricing has been brought down as well. So there's really no excuse now. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Give this video a thumbs up if you got value as well. I mean, look at all of this, man. We're not going public with this. If you're in my channel, you're the only ones that can see this. So again, give this video a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below. I'm happy to answer any questions publicly. Reach out to us. And yeah, this is Ringless App 2.0. Speak to you soon.